just coming in. It's a bunch of creators that were invited. There were 2 locations, one in Cali, one in New York. So I decided to come to New York. You know, I like to travel, so why not come to New York? The life of the party, as y'all can see. Definitely check them out on IG. Y'all are out for that time.
Yeah, ENT. I said ENT on IG. Yeah.
Hey. What's up, Rod? See Exodus Summit. What's up, Exodus Summit? YFC.
Oh, they say about this. What song is this?
So we got like the coverage is really bad, but we got liquor going on here. See the view and food. So it's all the creators here connecting. Hi. Chardonnay, please. Right. The views are amazing. Like, if you've never been to New York in the summertime, like, it's awesome here. And it's crazy. I just decided to come here. Thank you. Like a week ago. So I'm just thankful to be a part of this experience. I'm a part of a creator program with YouTube. So I'm really glad to be here. Just decided to come out here and just check it out. I know a lot of people are probably based here near here. So yeah, I see Rod saying he wish he was there. Yeah, you definitely need to be here. As you can see, a lot of people are going live. I mean, we're creators. What else would we be doing, right?
Oh,
yeah. Y'all should be here. YFC. Your favorite couple. Getting ready for a live.
Come to the vlog.
And shout out to the DJ. DJ's lit. So I just wanted to go live really quickly. They got like a photo booth. The official YouTube. I guess I need to go live on YouTube, huh? The event is over at 9, so I'm probably going to cut this short. I got here late. New York traffic is a beast. It started at 6. Might have got here. This trip is possible with Southwest Point, IHG Point, and Delta Point. So I definitely maximize all of my points. And speaking of points, hit up Point Blank Travel. See him in the chat. Hit him up. Check out his YouTube channel and follow him on IG.
Say the whole time. I thought we had to say the whole time.
Stay here the whole time?
Yeah, I thought they were gonna like show us something or say something.
Yeah, I thought it was like a 7:30 speaking thing.
It's past 7:30, ain't it?
Huh?
It's past 7:30, ain't it?
Yeah.
Come mingle and drink.
Yeah. I might check out the outside view. Y'all leaving?
No.
Oh, okay.
You wanna go outside?
Yeah.
You're leaving?
Okay.
Cynthia Beaumont.
Cynthia Beaumont? Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bye. So people are heading out, but like I said, I got here like at 7. The event ends at 9 and started at 6. I got on my shirt representing one of the shirts I sell in my store, which is Travel Makes Everything Better. Because the event is about making YouTube. So how to monetize, you know. So we're celebrating monetizing yourself. check out the link in my bio. I sell this shirt. I have Work Hard, Travel Well shirts and everything. So I'm representing while I'm here. Then I got my Tabitha Brown pants on. To know, like, travel right now is very crazy. Like, I haven't redeemed a lot of points here in New York, unfortunately. But like when I went to Colombia, South America in June, I didn't have to redeem that many points, and it was cheap. But New York is off the chain right now. But it's worth it. Like, I'm having a great time networking and stuff. So yeah. And make sure if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Work Hard Travel Well, on YouTube, Work Hard Travel Well. Check out Ian
Haydak right here.
Yep.
It's my real name, yes, and that's my YouTube channel. Body by Ian is on my Instagram and TikTok, everybody.
Alright, y'all, make sure y'all check him out. He talks about a lot of different things, and I especially am going to check him out for his story about overcoming cancer. So I'm excited.
As well as bringing your great energy, and I hope you had a great night. I want to thank the DJs, so let's do a round of applause. Because we love you, because you came, we have a little treat for you. So on your way out, make sure to pick up some swag on us, and just keep bringing good energy to your channels, and we look forward to seeing you at the next event.